3-minute Thursday. I hope you liked last week's video. That was last week. It's a new week. So let's jump into today's video, which looks like this. It's a tricky one. Oh, yes. Hello. Hello. So this is a shadow pass with a switch and a pour, all encapsulated into one little sequence. So let's break it down. First, we need to learn how to do the shadow pass. That is with the cocktail shaker. We're gonna grab in tennis grab, like so, throwing from my right hand behind the back of my head. If I this way, you'll see it's going past the back of my head, watching with my eyes. I don't turn my head, I just bang, catch blind. Look, see, it's right there. So you need to nail that one. I've got a few videos on the shadow pass, so you can go and have a look at that. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have a bottle in this hand. So obviously, can't do that. So we need to, as we throw that shaker, we're gonna throw the bottle up. You're gonna catch the bottle in this hand, you're gonna catch the shaker over here. So throw, drop that one on the floor because you don't need it anymore, and then pick up a fresh one and try again. Bam, bam. It's a very quick switch. So, one more time. Throw, catch, catch. See? Now from there, we're gonna cross over our arms. Now you can do bang, you can do bang, or you can just cross over your arms and watch the reposition. We did that on last week's reposition from the beard down to the grab, which I'm not going to name on video, to the reverse pour, bosh, down. Thank you very much. Pour that in there. Let's do it with a real bottle, but just a quick recap. Shadow, cross, pour. All right. Shadow, switch, cross over the top, come over to a pour, bush. One more time, shadow switch. I did a throw, I knew I did something. Throwing over the top of our arm, catching there and pour, but you can make it simple as I showed you. Boom, 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 over the top, come to pour, bounce it off, the liquid is in there. Thank you very much. That was this week's 3-minute Thursday, and the name of that move is the shadow switch to a reverse pour. Catchy names, I know. See you on next week's video.